Here comes. Oh, hi, my name is Addie, and this song came from Selma the movie. One day, we will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war's won, we will be sure. We will be sure. Oh, glory. Oh, glory. Ah, glory. Glory. Hands to the heavens, no man, no weapon. Formed against, yes, glory is destined. Every day, women and men become blessings. Sins that go against our skin become rest. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is juxtaposition enough. Justice for all, justice specific enough. One son died, his spirit is revisiting enough. Cheering, living enough. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Ferguson with our hands up. They say, stand down, and we stand up. Shots be on the ground, the camera panned up. Keep pointing to the mountain, and we ran up. One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war's won, we will be sure. We will be sure. Oh, glory, glory, glory. Ah, glory, glory. Now the war is not over. Victory isn't won. And we'll fight on to the beginning. It's all good. We will cry glory. Oh, glory. Oh, tell us now, glory. Selma's now for every man, woman, and child. Even Jesus got his crown in front of the cup. We don't march with the torch, we don't run with it now. Never look back, lead a gun, hundreds of miles. For dark roads to hero, to become a hero. Facing the League of Justice, the power of the people. The King Lethal saw the face of Jim Crow under a bald eagle. The biggest weapon is to say peaceful. We sing our music is the cuts through the bleeding. Somewhere in the dream we had an epiphany. Now we right the wrongs in history. No one can win the war individually. It takes the wisdom of the elders and young people's energy. Welcome to the story we call victory. Coming on my eyes, the eyes that see the glory.